So here I got a setup to grind my wood chipper blades. I tried it with a smaller stone and it just wasn't working. So I did make an adapter right here where I can use a 1/2-inch end mill holder and just a regular shaft that you would use from a grinder and a 6-inch grinding stone. So I put it in and I used a diamond to sharpen it. So as I turn it on, you can see it wobbles up and down a little bit, but left and right it does not. And it actually turned out really nice. Like, check out this blade here. Of course it's not going to focus on a stupid camera. There you go. I mean, this blade is nice. It certainly beats doing it by hand, and it actually works really well. Put a little bit of coolant on here with a mist cooler, and I can do 5/1000ths vertical each pass. I'll show you what it looks like when I turn it on. I noticed there was some sparks flying, so I just turned the coolant on a little bit more, and it keeps it nice and cool. So even if I touch it here, it's barely warm at all. So what I learned after I did the 1.5 knives is that the water actually prevented the grinding wheel from getting rid of the grinding dust, and it created kind of like a felt type. It looked like a felt that clogged up the wheel. So what I ended up doing is cleaning it off, drying it up real well, and then I just took a little bit slower cuts, and in between the two cuts I just used a little spray bottle with regular water to cool down the blades so they wouldn't get too hot, and that seemed to do the trick. It actually went quite a bit quicker without having the clogging up happening. So I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. Thanks for watching.